Hi there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today I'm sharing our pro tips on how to keep your outdoor daybed looking gorgeous for years to come. Is there anything better than kicking back on those plush cushions and soaking up some sun? But as much as we love lounging on our outdoor daybeds, they do require some love to maintain that fresh, showroom look. The key is choosing the right materials from the start. Woods like teak and cedar are naturally resistant to moisture and insects. Aluminum and powder-coated steel are also fantastic options that can withstand the elements. And synthetic wicker made from polyethylene is super durable and easy to clean. Next, it's all about protecting your daybed from sun, rain, and anything else Mother Nature throws your way. Be sure to cover your daybed with a waterproof furniture cover when it's not in use. Placing it in a shaded area or using a patio umbrella gives a little extra sun protection. Another trick to keep your daybed fresh, giving it a little spa day. For the frame, mix up a mild soap and water solution, then use a soft brush to gently scrub away any dirt or grime. Rinse it off and let it fully air dry. And for cushions, start by vacuuming off any loose debris. Spot clean stains with more soap and water, then wash the removable covers according to the care instructions. Don't forget to apply a fabric protector spray to keep them looking vibrant. Mold and mildew can be a real nightmare, so make sure your daybed can fully dry out after a rain or a cleaning. If you do notice any funk starting to grow, tackle it quickly with a cleaning solution. When winter rolls around, it's best to store that beautiful daybed indoors if you live in a cold climate. Give it one last deep clean, allow it to fully dry, and keep it in a well-ventilated space until spring. Trust me, with just a little routine maintenance, your daybed will remain a cozy, comfortable chill spot for seasons to come. Be sure to check the description below for a link to our full comprehensive outdoor daybed care guide on the Patio Productions website. And while you're at it, head over to patioproductions.com to browse our huge selection of high-quality, weather-resistant outdoor furniture. We've got the perfect daybed for your patio,